This is Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you gotta make sure that your smartphone is connected to network. We recommend using the Wi-Fi for this one. Then launch the Google Play Store app, sign in if you haven't already. Then at the search bar at the top, type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, tap at the install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. In here, as you can see, I have some Google Play system updates, messing with the Opera download, so let me cancel all the updates and let the Opera be downloaded first. Alrighty, so actually while I was trying to do that, the Google Play did its magic and started the download, so well, good for me, I guess. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera browser for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to enable notifications, or you can skip this step for now. Or perhaps you are ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can also skip this step. And in here, you can customize the privacy and security preferences, or the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for by default and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.